You can see outside. Oh, I see the car. Junior! You wicked man! Why would you do that when you know you have to leave me one day? This is a big floors.
What
Oh,
is
look
this?
at all this. Eh?
What is this?
Oh, wow. The church. It looked like the church that I saw in Jamaica.
Winter school.
It's empty up here. Jesus Christ. They were fighting. No, where is bag? Oh my days. Do it. Traffic on one side. So wait, how come? Oh dear. This is a driving vlog, and that's the bus park. Okay, that's the bus park. If you want to get to Central London, anyway, you want to get to Bromley, Clapham Junction, Plumstead, Blackheath, Crystal Palace. Yeah, and that's the Crystal Palace. That's the sign. So we're doing a drive-through vlog today. Something different. Yeah, so if you want to get to Central London, anywhere you want to get to, you can get a bus right up here. Here at this garage. Yeah. To the petrol station to get petrol. We're getting a drink to again. The can of do me. I'm gonna get my bubble. You don't have any ice cream in here? Nope.
Shopping box. No rush.
No ice cream in it.
You have ice cream?
Oh, we pass it, Junior.
At the door. Only what's left.
Oh, this here. Okay, we could try this. One of this. More one?
You want to
That's a different one. If you want to try that one. Yeah. Look at this. Happy birthday. God. Ready? Yeah. Hmm? So we're leaving the petrol station now. And we're gonna go back and then have a look in the park. So that's the 227 bus. That one will take you to Bromley. If you want to get to Bromley, you have to take the 227. If you want to get to Orpington, you have to take the 358. If you want to get to Central London, you have to take the number 3 bus. If you want to get to Lewisham, you have to take 202, and if you want to get to Malam, you have to take the 249, I think, yeah. This tree green and nice. So yes, and if you want to get to, so yes, so that's the 202, that's the 227, that's the, I don't know what number this is, that one, but yeah. That's over the park over there. We're back up at the bus garage again. So the 202, you can get off at Catford, but it really terminates at Blackheath. And then the 363, you can go to Elephant and Castle. And the 122 get you to Plumstead, but you can get to Lewisham. And there's a 157 bus there, and there is a 322, and then you've got the 358. Okay, so the 157 goes to Marden. Yeah. Loads of different buses from that bus garage there. Bus station, yeah, and that's over the park, so we're gonna pop in the park and have a little look. Oh, somebody graffiti right there, so it never look like that. You have graffiti on it. Yeah, but then graffiti it off now and everything. So over the park, we're gonna walk through the little side gate. Just over the park. And that's the 4th Street 2, and that bus is going to Brixton. So if you wanna go to Brixton, you also can get the bus on this side, but not in the bus garage. Yeah. We're gonna eat I've got a look. I thought it was Oreo. It's Cornetto. Go. It's not Oreo, you know. You know, I thought it was Oreo. I hope it is good. Okay. So I'm gonna have this ice cream.
One.
No, you want one of the one active with the want one. The people.
That was that.
No, you're doing it.
I just thought I'd talk to you.
Alright guys, this is what I'm gonna finish eat this now and then we'll have a look in the park. Hey, eating ice cream and going to have a look in the park. Pure from
Hmm?
Pull him for Kingston. Look at that puddle. Water circle here. Still haven't finished yet, guys. Somebody sleeping underneath here, sir.
Wake up.
Junior, stop it.
Wake up.
I said to stop it.
Wake up.
Leave the man alone. There's a nice wood stump there. Junior trouble the jig come on with me. Junior, come. Junior, leave the man alone. Ice cream finished now. Huh? Hmm?
I don't know if I could go.
Mm.
Yeah, very little. Yeah, when they wouldn't be going to the country.
So, ano yan ba?
Nobody can buy any of it.
Then sometimes a relationship break them.
Man, you have to run it. Most of them used to like that in the politician.
Oh.
It's hard to find somebody like them, they are don't have no Gaji.
Mm.
Gaji and come up and a bit in the whole sign of the
Mm. Can't stand at the park and steal to the bus there. We do know even exercise. Oh my gosh. Let me save that bird. I can get that bird on here and it no move. Hello, birdie, birdie. Hello. The bird gone. So look down there, guys. You can see down there. We could walk down here so and then come back up through the bush. This one go. Oh. So it's down the big rock. Walking in the muddy puddle. Did expect more people here. Expect to see more people. Really. you shake it, June. There's another muddy puzzle. But I want to touch the leaf. Oh, the tree. So this is a tree in the park. Oh my god, it's massive. There's another little one here. Where are you going? Now walk up the stairs. This is Crystal Palace Museum. Something around there? Ah. This is the museum. I've never... Look how long we live up in this area, over 20 odd years. I never... Come. Now I can't have this, so you drop with me. Once I want to look a bit. I think I didn't have to head off of that. Look here. Look, I found these things. These are all Asian something. And look at the queen head. Oh, brave. Vandalized something. These are some old Asian ancient. So it's the Sintra Gates door, you know. Look. And then you have this the gate here, so you can see outside. Oh, I see the car. Junior! You wicked man! Why would you do that when you know you have to leave me around there? This is a big flowers.
What is
Look
this?
at all this. Eh?
What is this?
Oh wow. This is something I read. This is regarding Birmingham, Henry Cooley and Son Limited, Birmingham and London. I think something about Birmingham and London with the slave trade, you know. Something.
Something with your cup water. It look like it's a scale. Down here, so.
I feel like water in your ears. Me would want to, like, you know, I have walk on top of that because it just shows what. You understand?
No.
What? Them bury people underneath
No
it?
war.
Oh.
Like when I war, they got it.
Oh. You drop down? Okay. That's somewhere or something, man. I wonder where them big tree is.
This
Eh.
look like you can go down like that.
Oh, and it's something go down.
I carry you down. And it look like when you carry you down now, you put that in a fall and like that.
Oh.
Like underground.
Yeah, like an underground something.
Yeah. This look like you could have built on an underground thing. Yeah, like that. They look like it used to lock up all people like prison.
Oh.
What are things like?
Oh my gosh.
You never know this place.
We never see it.
Orange trees.
It look like water. Hmm? Oh no.
Look how old it is.
We have to go look. Come. So we are going through history. Oh my god, are you gonna go through it, yes sir? You will go through this little part there. Nobody to the thing. Bring the GoPro. You want hold it first? Thanks. Jesus, in here so look dark. Oh my gosh. It's a little tunnel. The light now work. We need to charge it. In there dark.
There is a lot of people in it.
It looks so. Oh, wow.
There's a gym.
When was the name of these things here? Sir? Wow. Oh. No, so we can go drop rock off. I'm not sure.
Don't look at it.
Cool. History. I hope I wicked something. I was hoping. Did I? This one. You know what I used to. Alright, so that is that. So we're gonna be going up the stairs now. Walk now, like up the stairs. Yeah, so we're gonna go up this stairs. Whoa.
Just love this group where you're not going to touch it.
Eh?
You don't want to touch the group.
Huh?
So you just love the group where you don't want to touch it.
God, that first me see it. Yeah. The wild grass grow. That is the park. This is where you have the benches and the trees and flowers, and they are letting. This is this plant. I like this. Got this tall. I can't find them, you know. I'm trying to. Because I saw them in the park down in where I work, and I'm thinking, where can I get it? Those what we were?
Garden affair,
Oh. Nice. And it grew tall and it looked like nice. No, I look for them. It's a nice garden because they grow tall.
Google like flowers and
You see, of the wood chip, we need to get some wood chip for the garden. Yeah. You see no water though. No, I mean like fountain, yeah. Bus park over there, so guys.
you like them up
Really, this part not really have a lot of I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't know what to say about it. So finished with the park now and we're heading back. So a little bird told me the park is having a makeover. Really? Okay. the park is gonna have a makeover, guys. So hopefully we will see. So that's the end of the park tour. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to E&J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work. Oh no, watch the video. All you guys got to do, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe. Like up the live, share it with a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend about E&J Lifestyle Farm. That's the park. This what we are looking at, you know? Yeah, so it's really look like they just throw people in there, no window, nothing in the dark. See it there? No window. Once they lock that the grill there with you, that is it. Oh my gosh, Junior, it's like it's a tank. It's like they make it like a well and no window and them have rooms in there, you know? Oh my days. So that is the end of the video. Ooh, like the video, guys. And don't forget to subscribe.